Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a XUV 500 for complete service, and you can just check right now we have removed the gears as well as the back rear suspension has been replaced to a brand new one, and we have used Gabriel brand new shock absorbers. So both the sides we have installed the Gabriel shock absorbers. Right now the vehicle we have removed the front wheels to check the brakes as well as brake calipers, and engine oil will be replaced on this vehicle. We are using a Hella air filter as well as a Hella oil filter. So this vehicle is for complete service. For any kinds of servicing regarding any XUV 500 Scorpios, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. And also we have a Gypsy which is come for the complete service. Right now you can just check out, we have removed the complete wheels as well as complete bearings are going to be replaced, and knuckle kit is going to be serviced, and you can check out the radiator is also been removed for and given for the cleaning. Complete servicing will be done on this vehicle, and the vehicle was installed with a power steering, and the power steering kit is here, and we are installing the brand new power steering kit in this because there was a oil leakage in this. You can just check out the complete hubs have been completely removed at the moment, and brake liners have been going to be cleaned and checked, and also complete servicing will be done on this vehicle. So we are going to replace all the oils in this. Engine oil will be replaced, gearbox oil will be replaced, coolant is going to be replaced, and both the sides we have removed the hubs. Also greasing will be done on this vehicle. And here we have a Mpfi 40 which has been installed with a 550 Bolero engine and a 5+1 gearbox. This is a two-wheel drive vehicle. Still little bit modification work is pending on this vehicle. And here we have a 540 which has come for the power steering issue as well as the starter issue. And right now we have one more Gypsy which is come for suspension work, as well as there was an issue with the tappet. So right now the tappet adjustment is going on this vehicle. So for any kinds of servicing, any kinds of Jeep, Gypsy, Bolero or Thar or any kinds of multi-brand vehicles, you can just WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number. Our workshop is at Pina Jeepzone. So WhatsApp us our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, WhatsApp us and get more information. Thank you.